So today is Ostara, yay, it is Saturday the 20th, and I wanted to share my regular garden update. So I'm doing that, and I also wanted to wish everybody a happy Ostara. I hope everyone's day went really well. I did some hiking today, I did some baking, so I am going to be setting up for ritual soon, and I'll show you guys my altar. But yeah, I just wanted to do my garden update really quick, so here we go. Look at those seeds! Look at them, I'm so proud. Yes, so much growth. So these will go in the ground pretty soon. It's still kind of cold sometimes, so we are going to wait probably a week or two just to make sure that there's no more frost or freezing temperatures, and then some of these are going to go outside, some of these are going to go into bigger pots. But yep, there we go.